The industrial maintenance and electrical technology programs offered at Northeast share many of the same classes and train students to work in a variety of settings. Graduates of these programs achieve a 2-year Associate of Applied Science degree. Industrial maintenance prepares graduates with a solid foundation in electrical and mechanical concepts, as well as hands-on training with PLCs, robotics, motor controls, hydraulics and pneumatics, and other equipment. Completion of this program leads to high-demand jobs working to maintain and repair industrial equipment such as robotic welding cells, conveyor systems, production machinery, packing equipment, and much more. The electrical technology program also prepares students to work in industrial settings, as well as preparing them for careers with electrical power companies and electrical contractors. Graduates of the electrical program learn to install, operate, maintain, and repair electrically energized systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. For more information on this program, send us an email at cteinfo@nemcc.edu or visit online at www.nemcc.edu.